What's up, guys? This is Jimmy, also known as Jumanji1776. I'm an operator, moderator, co-founder, one of the owners, lead traders of the Option Goats trading server in the Discord. Make sure to hit like and subscribe at the bottom right of the video. This is your swing recap for the week of February 28th and March, I believe it's March 7th. Yes, March 7th. So from February 28th until March 11th on a Friday. So make sure to check out our other videos. Definitely go over some of the pros that come with becoming an OG Prime member. If you go to our website, optiongoatsllc.com, and you go down to where it says join free, it'll take you to the Discord, and you'll only be able to access one channel. If you get the Prime membership, you'll be able to access all of the channels which come out with signals from the bot. If you use the code SPRING30, you will get a Spring Gorillas. What the Spring 30? That will get you a half off for 3 months. So you pay $30 per month for 3 months, essentially. Anyways, let's get to it. So on the 28th, looks like Rom had a $190 30% trade there. Nice job there. And then looks like had another trade here on the SPY put, making 14%. Heck yeah. Had another SPY put. Thanks to Cuzzy's TA, nice job there, going Super Saiyan. Green day for Cuzzy here on the 2nd of March, nice, nice. SPX, Ghost making $110 here on SPX, nice. AES up almost 12% on the week, nice job there, AES, getting that green long term. Cuzzy making money on the 3rd, green that day. Ghost making money $56, but it's a 50% gainer, so nice trade there. We collected 72% on the Twitter call spread that we had. Raw making the SPY put $261, and he's done with the day at 18%. Nice job there, Rom. Now Goku making money on SPY, nice trade there. Diamond in the rough, Cuzzy. And we made money on Coupang, which I'll go over in just a second. So those are some good, those 2 weeks were pretty good. And this is what the market did on these days, right here to right here. We were coming from lows and we basically just stabilized. And basically what we had for that week was, let's see here, we collected on Coupang. So what we did was we bought two 2022 50 put debit spreads for $72 a pop. And it looks something like, let's see if I still have it. Yep. $72 each, max profit 178 on both. This was for May 20th, and we ended up having to cash out just 2 weeks later. It popped from 26 all the way down to 15. It was outrageous, absolutely nuts. We collected premium on that one. And so we ended up with our money, which was 140%, which is $202 on the trade. So heck yeah, felt really good about that play. What we else did on that week was we bought a BP cheaply right around here, and then it popped up. It was going green, and then it came back down just because oil and gas was going through some crazy stuff with Russia in the Ukraine invasion, excuse me. So we lost on $20 there, made $220 on Coupang. And HYG, this was, again, market's looking pretty bearish right now. So any kind of puts is kind of what we're looking at. HYG made a long jump here and then bounced back. So we ended up losing on a $23 cheaply, still small in the grand scheme of things. XLF, this is our doomsday play down here. We bought a $36 strike put, paid about, or a 32 strike, I'm sorry. We do have a 36 though. Let's see. So it's down here, 32 when it was coming up. So we bought it for $38. We do still have the 36 strike put on XLF. We're just down on it. It's down about 70%, but we're still holding it because it goes all the way up until May 20th. So we still got time on that. But that's about it. I was on vacation these past few days, so it wasn't too anything exciting as far as trading goes. I did trade. I just didn't go heavy on any trades, and I was still bearish on the market, so I didn't really want to have to buy the dip yet. So again, on the 28th, we bought more PDT shares. PDT looking really good. And then there's our 36 put that we bought. It was $230. Again, it's down to like 100. So still holding that play. And then we bought more SHIB, added another $100 of SHIB. So we have about 51.2 million of SHIB. So if we look at SHIB, it's still leveling off like this, and we're still going to be buying $100 every 2 weeks. So really excited to see what happens there. But you know, not getting my hopes up essentially. Let's look at the overall market for a second. So we had some crazy trades, right? All this volatility. We had a lot of day traders. The profits that I just showed you from those play. Oh, and then I got one more. Hold on a second. There was that Twitter play. Twitter. Where is it? Twitter, but nope, here it is. So here's on Twitter. Sold the 37, bought the 38 call, sold for 47 bucks. That was the play, and it went all the way up until 325. It came down all the way down here. Good thing, because it closed. It's actually at the money. So had we held it, that would have been a good trade gone bad. So really happy that we were able to collect 72% on that trade. Going forward now, super happy on. Let's see if I'm missing anything. I know I had another play in there on the 28th. Oh, so we got paid our dividends. So we got 44.27 on dividend there, 117.18. We had the ICPT butterfly play that ended up expiring worthless. So it was about $100 loss on that one. BP was green. As you can see, they were green at some point, so they had good exits. It's just we didn't capitalize on BP and on ICPT, whereas with Twitter and Coupang we did. So let's see here. Coupang, basically all of Coupang and Twitter is what happened. Basically the whole spread went in the money, so I couldn't have been happier with that play. I mean, that was just a game changer. But yeah, so now it's a new week. It's the 21st today. I'll do the video for the 14th this week, later this week too. So other than that, guys, this is going to be a really quick recap on 2 weeks because I didn't have many trades to do, but I'm back in it. So I'll be looking for premium sells, especially this Friday. Last week I had only a couple plays. Again, we're watching XLF to the downside. This is the big one. This is kind of what I'm looking at. Just because XLF has done this monster advance from COVID, and I think it's at this 36 level is what's going to be crushed if we go bear, depending on what oil does. It's the 21st today, and right now oil has been on a tear. If this continues past that 130 high, again, we're going to be signaling for a recession. So do I want it? No, but we are seeing a lot of ripples in the market right now that are showing signs of recession. Not saying it will be, but it's definitely something I'm going to be watching for the next couple of weeks, especially all the way up until Memorial Day. So we'll have to see what happens there. Make sure to hit like and subscribe at the bottom right of the video. Oh, and then our winner for the month of March. Oh, yes. Let me make sure I go back to his play. Here it is. It was on 222. ROM, SPY put, 13%, 151 bucks. Then he dips back in. $167, 12%. Then he dips a third time for the hat trick, $124, 11%. Rom, you got the hat trick. Congratulations. You won for the month of February. You will win the $50, or if you want the Option Goats Trading t-shirt, regardless, you'll get to pick. Please DM me. Thank you for watching this video. Hit like and subscribe. We'll see you till next week. Happy trading and manage your risk, guys. Have a great one. Bye-bye.